Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 7. Get ready for the education. Start. We have a living democracy stop, but we still elect politicians which a criminal record, some of whom cannot even read or write stop. We select candidates based not on merit and performance or ability to deliver, but on the basis of caste, creed, vote bank, etc. We have a reasonable judiciary, but the legal system takes too long stop. There is a growing feeling that people in power are above the law stop. We have a free press and enjoy freedom of expression and speech stop. But the fourth estate needs to be more incisive and critical stop. Our industrial base is growing at an annual rate of 9% stop. We now produce from pins to aircraft, computers and satellites stop. But we still depend on imported technology stop. There is hardly any research and development worth the name stop. We have no real new developments to our credit stop. Yet Indians working abroad have earned a name for inventions stop. If that is so, why not in India? We badly lack adequate infrastructure, be it in the field of power, education, health care or transportation stop.